guys. Hello. Long time. Tutiriganite na inyui. Kogu. Nidemumisete muno. And I'm so excited to have all of you here. I really. Ne birthday yako. It's my fashion of a birthday. Kogu. Dire na maudo serious mo no dire da kwaririria. Kogu I'm celebrating myself. Gukora we fourth floor dire ne deketi horoa. Ne deketi horoa gukora the second floor, third floor, and now I'm on fourth floor. Fourth floor is not a joke. So I'm so happy to be celebrating another year. Mohana atia tuana tuito miss you so much. Oh my God, I can see all of you. Nedramona omudo koreari gasheni kewega dire na kauru haya riu nedagi ukire wira-ini na riu guku ni kundutakira wira no ndokari kwari na challenges nyingi muno thini wa wira wakwa koguo I have been moving from one place to the other. Shukuru guthondekerwo shukuru kuri uri thomithagia na ni thomithagia twana tunini muno koguo thomithagia from 0 to 10-year-olds koguo no muke imagine tumaudu turia ngoragwo ngideal natuo. Otherwise I'm so excited. It's my birthday. I'm so happy, and I'm so happy to have all of you guys here with me. No way, cool. Evans Kibodo, where are you? And by the way, Moni, pardon me because my voice is not so okay because of this shouting and jumping with the little ones. So sometimes we do lose our voice. But all in all, it's like I have not seen you for years. Tuana tuito, my people, my own people, kogo ni dimwedete muno. And I did not have Bonnie wish. KG madoriri nidira kuona nidirona ai adwa kwa ige muno mudu wakwa wekuria Mike wa Boston Mike Boston nidira kuona muno Peter. I can see you Peter Texas na kuona vizuri sana na totinani Peter ona donajera kana we online kana dori online, so I'm so mad with you, but at the same time I love you all. Koguo ri show yo muthi ni mura kimenya turariri karari jeshi mkuu karibu sana the armed forces. I thank God I have all the categories of professions in my system. Kogori, I'm so blessed. Kogoni de mwedete muno na hari birthday yakwa na tutikere ine motini misete na ningode mo misete. Kogo I'm so excited. Kogo karoibo ka bere ndika kukihigura birthday agasheni. Kogo neke tuone happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Okay. Haya. Ogone ukuguni go kiana kwa grounds. Ne birthday wishes, ne birthday party. It's my party. No digekirigane wate tuina kaudu tura discuss. I'm so much excited. It's my birthday. Na digi mwera miaka ria dinayo ni meiki kuri de nyina wanyu de mamu wanyu mutigaye guthakira oguo tondu tigaga ikonyo na titadi tade ate aga de kairetu asha I'm a senior citizen kogo neo koro regete ko ni attack todo de mwikena linie de stress na dire maundu maingi no umuthi turakiariria uhoro wa attraction ni topic imwe ikoragwo is so difficult na attraction ni kindu kimwe andu aige makoragwo mix up. People even don't know who they are before they get attracted to the opposite people. Kedo kia bere ni joy kuringana na miaka ruiria no we go kinya fourth floor wisdom dio kakate ne wa kinya fourth floor kana we that floor kana we second floor. It comes to your own realization. Okamenya atiriri riria dari 20 ri ndeciragia atia meciria makwa mahanaga atia hindi o ndari ru haria ndi mindset yakwa na meciria makwa they are totally different. Attraction ru ngeciria what attracts me ona ndeciragia what attracts others to me nyenda kumenya what attracts me to somebody else. Na riria ndeciragia uhoro ucio ri ni nyenda kwamba kumenya ati ndenda gutwika attracted kuri mundu moaine na Ngai kindu kia mbere muno tondu nie ndi mundu uciaritwo nyumba-ini ya Ngai. Kogo I would like to have somebody with a similar grounds that on family cia oni citigirite Ngai ti family iria ne kore family ingi there are all different kinds of families and backgrounds and upbringings. No nie ni nyendete gukorwo ati mundu uria ingikorwo ndi nake ati ni mundu grounded Christianity ati ni mundu magikorwo moaine na Mwathani ati twina ndugu na Mwathani kaundu kau tondu nie ona ko ndire muhonoku wa kuthio mathiomi agene ona ta ndire muhonoku no ni the relationship na Ngai na igirora to the other hari mundu urio ingikorwo attracted to no nyende akorwo ari mundu ona we in similar grounds. No ure society umuthire is so corrupt todo airetu aingi meciragia uthaka todo andu ni magithakarire. People are so beautiful you cannot even athuri oria mundu. I actually don't know how men operate nowadays kuringana na uthaka uria wina andu todo beautiful ones are born every day na andu athaka nio mara dominate. No uthaka uyu ri andu aingi ona makorwo mari athaka negwenda kurikira hau ha undu wa uthaka tondu so many people take advantage of their looks. The attributes that wewe muthaka you have the figure, you have what it takes, and then oka attract muduri. Okay, it's like a trade. Mudurume akona tiriri she's sexy na ke muiritu akona ati she's loaded nita a tit for tat thing. Kogore relationship na attraction de sigakoro she compromise that I have to get something from you. Now you have to get something from me. Attraction ikekate clash. Reure maudu ma ne marito ono kone nyendaga kwaririria uhoro wa relationships, attraction and whatever goes on in relationships. This is a very deep topic for me to even talk about. Kogo nie gwaria tu maudu turia tu toni affectaga todo turia dana go through nyenda kwaririria nyenda kwaririria to maundu turia ngereire todo unless you go through things and then you can talk about it and then you can help somebody else. So it's about you just being yourself, finding your own comfort zone. I think namba ya mbere kindu kia mbere andu magirirwo ni gukorwo mari nakio before you even venture into relationships. It's just to love yourself, to know ground ciaku ati we mundu, you are independent. You fall in love with yourself before you can fall in love with somebody else. We there koro at least we ona to mutumia kana ki ukoro we independent. You're financially independent. Now financially independent, you don't have to be a millionaire, but be in a position that you are not reliable. Ate doreho ka mundu ngi akorwo agigo support. Todo mathina mokaga attractions ciukaga like a trade. Ate we ohe security na nie go he pleasure. Men always will look for women for sexual advances or things like those. Atumia nao makorago makenda security, atumia makorago makenda meshie, mutumia wothe ukorago akikoro in a relationship. Atumia yothe makorago makenda to be matienda gukoro jump from one place to the other. Kogore relationship igakorwo she so complex. Nyundo wa gukorwo ati we uraingira into a relationship with a need. Ati I want you to do something for me. No rianake agakorwo akenda ati I want to get something from you. No. Be in your own, be independent, be happy on yourself without kindu kia mbere ugakorwo in order for you to have a relationship kana attraction area igikorwo ati ikedum for a long time. First of all, be attracted to your own self. Wirorage ukona we mutha yetaruna did you got it among those sexy things in the world moving on. No nyeda de bere agishicio giakwa de hena giakwa. You are the sexiest thing in the world. Validate yourself, value yourself before somebody else can come and tell you, you are sexy, you look good. You don't look good. No, wabe we mwenyewe. Ate you look good. Now you don't need a that or the second party ukwirate you look good. Aya kogore agikoro ne muthuri agikoro ne wewe muiretu todo attraction ciukaga in so different things. Adhuri monaga attraction into physical thing. Mwenda kona, that figure. They want to see those big hips, those big boobs or whatever. And mainstream, that is, they might do mao maredo wo, but they knew how. They knew kuri. What do you earn for? We mutumia. Do you want people to just come and use you? Do you just want people to come in your world and use you? You are so beautiful. Todo nie nejoy atumia igene adaka. We come from so many different ethnicities and shapes and whatever. We are so beautiful in our own ways, in one way or the other. No gukoro we muthaka ti mwiri waku ati you are physical. What makes you stand out from the other, from being just beautiful? Character yaku, attitude yaku, how do you feel things? You may attract, na nĩ ndanandĩka ka article ka attraction nyamũ-inĩ ciakwa, but who do you attract in your circle? Ũattractaga andũ we mũthaka nĩ ũndũ wake, tondũ you have those big bumps, you have the big ass, na gũkũ mbere wĩ mũnene, you have the skin, you have the looks, kana nĩ ũndũ wa andũ. Niĩ ta rĩu niĩ ndingiuga atĩ ndĩ mũthaka, no nĩ njugaga ndĩ mũthaka tondũ meciria makwa, how I think about things, how I value things makes me feel that I'm so beautiful. Ti ũndũ nĩ thiaga gĩcicio-inĩ ngerora ngona atĩ ndĩ mũthaka, no nĩ tondũ nĩ ndĩciragia maũndũ mangĩ. Ona ingĩkorwo ndĩ in a relationship, atĩ mũndũ ũrĩa ndĩ nake he's so awful, atĩ tokorwo 99% ya mũndũ ũrĩa ndĩ in a relationship with, maũndũ marĩa make moru nĩ 99%, but I don't focus on that. I'm attracted to just 1% that he's doing right, and I will focus on that. Na gũtirĩ kĩndũ ũtakona kĩ beautiful. Even those things, circumstances that don't feel like they can be, you have to just put your energy and put your mind on those things that are working out. Being in a relationship, being at a family like kana niki no ukorwo na modo dysfunctional. Relationships comes in all shapes. Na instead ya kugaga ati todo andũ aingĩ tuoyaga relationship tukaga maũndũ marĩa twekirwo moru. No tokorwo thĩinĩ wa relationship nĩ harĩ ũndũ ũmwe tu wa standate out, but we don't ever value that. Hĩndĩ ciothe tugaga ndekirwo, anjĩkaga ũũ. I think we should stop that circle and just concentrate on just 1% that he was doing or she was doing right. We put our energy into that, and then we will see beauty into everything. Haya ni birthday yakwa, ndikĩmũhũre tukire kanu kamwe. Mothe ndiĩ na kĩhunjio kĩingĩ mũno. Aya ni birthday yakwa, koguo rĩ my boss ye haha na ndoĩ atĩ ni birthday yakwa. Actually gũtirĩ maũndũ maingĩ tũrakĩarĩrĩria, nĩ ndagĩũkire na ngĩgĩceto na ngĩkĩambĩrĩria wĩra. I have the best boss ever. Kim, you're the best. Kim, Miss Kim, you're my boss, you're the best. I love you so much. I'm so home with you. Haya, Reure, send me what teachers you want. Thank you, Kim. We want native teachers from native countries. If you're in the US, if you're in the UK, we want those teachers. I'm a native from Kenya. So also Kenyans we are doing. My sound isn't okay because of teaching. Kim, you deserve to reward me for this. Haya, Reure, Vietnam is beautiful, Vietnam is very good. Na Kenya bede kimuhe karugano wakwa kuma rĩrĩa ndagiũkire ndĩrokire ngĩambĩrĩria wĩra. Aya, ndakĩambĩrĩria wĩra na twana tũrĩa thomithagia nĩ tũnini mũno. Nĩkĩo muona itakũraga nĩ tondũ hĩndĩ ciothe ngoragwo ngĩthomithia so young kids. So I'm always surrounded with these 2-year-olds, 9 months old. You cannot even imagine my world, but I love it. Every time I'm going to my classes, I'm excited because the smiles, these kids, I love what I do. At the end of the story, I enjoy what I'm doing. So my work is out of the world. Wira wakwa ni muthaka muno angikorwo ni wendete ciana. I love kids, so it makes it so easy. Haya koguo ri andu aria mukiri ni murenda ndina arata kwa marenda andu ao moke guku ati guthomithia nyuma ya tent tunaonana na huko niguo tugakiaraniria uhoro wa tumaudu tumwe ti twakwariria haha ni kuni inbox kuria privately. Haya undu uria ungi ni ndimwendete ndimwirigite andu othe ni mundu ni aranjura Asheni, how are you doing? Actually, I'm doing pretty very good. My boss is here, Kim, and Kim is taking very good care of us. We are 3 Kenyans in the same place, and I think we are all very, very comfortable. Na koguo direna any bad experience. So I'm just enjoying what I'm doing, and the rest, and so do the rest of the Kenyans that we are here together. Kenyans are so hardworking, so we pray for the best. Koguo umothe tugukiaragiriria uhoro wa attraction and whatever. What attracts you to the other person? Niki gitumaga wigue ukienda mundu uria ungi gutire kindu kiega. First of all, you have to find your own attraction. Na ni ngugite kaundu kau ngirikia show yakwa umuthe gutire maundu maingi. It's my birthday eve, so I'm not going to discuss so much of so things. I just want to say, if you want to enjoy your life first. Be independent. Dugakorwo wi mundu muhitaji ati you always want something from people. Go out there and make your own money. Be independent. Be in a place be in a peaceful place that you can make your own money. That when it comes to a relationship, you don't enter into a relationship hoping to get something from somebody. You are okay by yourself. You are happy by yourself. Before you can make somebody else happy, you're happy. I won't even want somebody to come into my life to make me happy. I'm happy myself. Oh my God. And I'm not married right now. And maybe I'm in a relationship, but the relationship I'm into is very straightforward. He's happy by himself, and I'm happy. When we come together, it will be like your happiness and my happiness. It is going to just blow us away. I don't want anything from you, and he's not expecting anything from me. So be your own world. Attract yourself. Go to the mirror, see yourself like you're the best. I don't think I'm the sexiest thing alive, but when I look into myself, I feel I'm at the top of the world. Not I'm at the top of the world because I'm the sexiest. I'm not even sexiest. Not because I'm the smartest. I'm not even smart. But in my world, I come first. I'm happy. I'm content. I have what it takes. I don't have lots of money, but I have money. I can take care of myself. I don't need you to take care of me. I can take care of me. When you come, we can take care of each other. In your world, and I want to attract the same thing. I don't want to attract somebody who is needy. I want to attract somebody who is very comfortable in their own skin. They are happy. They know how to live single life. They are happy. So when we come together, we are just going to be a combination of two people who are so happy. You are happy there. You lack nothing. If you're single, there is nothing that you're lacking. I'm single, you're single, and we come together. and you are complete. You don't need me for anything, and I don't need you for anything, but we decide to come together, it's okay. That is fine with me. I don't need you. I don't need your money to make me whole. You don't need to have sex with me to make you whole. We don't want to trade at tit for tat. You give me, I give you. No. For me, I want to be independent, and I want to have somebody who is independent as much as I do. And that is, for me, that is attraction. Then, if you have big ass, if you have big boobs, if you are tall, if you're short, those are bonuses. I don't care about those. Those are those things that are added into a relationship. First of all, you have to settle for the big picture, for the deals that, you know what? It's not love that is bringing us together, because love is a feeling. It can come and go. At the end of the day, we have each other. You know, I don't want to be in a relationship based on love, because love is just a feeling. And feelings, no uria ungeigua ate omothe ni kwa hiuha rucio ni kwa hora. Love rucio ingigathira ri, what are we left with? I just want to be with somebody who is for better, for worse. Or when love is gone, we still have each other. We have that friendship. We have that connection that connected us before we even loved each other. Nekorora maundu ukarora oh muduria turedana nake ri, they are not only physically fit, tondu athuri no ni muriega nikio muturite na atumia manga. Thank God. I thank God for you. Magerio mari uturite nake, mutumia uri uturite nake utari na gikeno. Those are the choices that you made long time ago. Uture na mundu ni muthaka hana riua, na mundu undu mwendete ni undu andu, tondu values yake ni different kuri values yaku, no ni watu ikite attracted kuri we in one way or the other. Ati tondu ari muthaka, uthaka tirio ti mai ta mama ni mai ndiranywa. Ukora we 40 kana we 50, it doesn't matter. Ate ko niguo ugi ukorago. No ukora we na miaka 20 no ukora we mugi muno. Ukamenya ate I don't want this in my life. I don't want this kind of shit in my life. This is to go. What do you want for yourself? Niye gasheni na dire mwete no jaragie to maundu uri okne. I just want to attract adoria mena values tashia kwa values yake sia ogima tutireda kugiana. We are in for it. Roshio goro itari na makeup goro di hana atia, you are in to love me. Roshio koro nderu ni shumira kana ona nothing changes. No uri ni kwage garurukire ngirikia na ikorikia show yakwa gutiri undu ungi nie ndiraririria. Koguo ri ciana citu ne mukene amenya ni birthday yakwa, koguo no njuge undu uria wothe ndirenda kuga itegwitigira itegwika atia. No kimenya niri kimwendete muno na atumia athuri ndirenda kumuhetu kaugo tu kamwetu. Attraction na gukorwo wi muthaka, aba ukorwo wi muthaka muturire-ini waku, ugathi ukerora ukeona wi muthaka kuri mundu ngiagoka gukwira na ni uramenya wega sini ni ukoragwo wi muthaka. Ni rujiragwo ni andu igana and it doesn't make any sense. First of all, find your own spot. Make your life so happy. ate gutire kindu we single we happy ni gutire taru ni ende single na gutire kindu njiguaga ate ni njagite ona hanini koguo riria na but at the same time my heart is open na dikwenda ku attract ki energy kingi giguka kidive na kiria ndina kyo thini wa ngoro yakwa tondu thini wakwa ndenda positivity ndenda gukura ndenda gikeno ni ndirenda stress at 40 tondu riu ni nona ni riu bashishine riu ni Teo bashishine kuoni ndikwenda stress ishikoragwo cia andu aria married ati miaka 20 30 at 40 ndwenda mundu urakugia. You want to have peace, you want to enjoy your life, you want to travel, you want to explore, you want to do things that you have never done before. Amen, hallelujah. Ndari horo wama koguo-ri ai wakone gwaka mucie neke twake mucie utane na maundu maingi anga do anga ukoro ni uriko. Be attractive. Wabere we menye wewe yo. Be attractive. Attract yourself before you can attract somebody else. Be happy before you can let anybody make you happy. Be comfortable in your own skin. Ate you don't need, did I need ate oil? Without you, I'm going to die. No riure goka agithina na kinya marriage ni gush urona andu mena mathina maingi me marriage tondu you got into marriage tondu wonire, you know, I can give you security, I can give you a home, you can give me sex, and then these things changes and then you are left without nothing. Okoragwa ate you are in that fear ate, if I don't give you something this might happen. Asha no koriro at this 21st century ne haku mwade uria wirago. Make your own life, make decisions according to whatever you want to live. Niye njugete jeda gwikara life simple na life simple tiate ne besha nyingi, no ikoro ina besha nyingi, no ikoro ina besha nini, no ikoro itare besha, but nonetheless I'm happy. Kogori attraction yaku wakorwo ni na mathutha, wakorwo anga ni uthio muthaka, angiko ni njuire akiona ndina dreads nene muno, angiko ni ndu, it's up to you, it's your life. Ndire hakwira mundu acenjie character yake, but be nice. Ta imagine ungiri muthaka uria wi muthaka, airitu aingi nyonaga ma airitu athaka ati character cia nicio itumite muturire umacenjerie. Why don't you change your character? Tondu andu ni macenjagia. People change. You change your character, you're beautiful, then things will fall into place. Tondu athuri aya meku, athuri character cia uti nyingi, athuri mendaga to be respected. Ohe muthuri waku gitio, ti maido maingi marenda. We urenda gukorwo ni uratuzo, ni urenda gutwarwo saruni, ni urenda gutwarwo out, na muthuri uno ari gutwara maundu-ini macio mothe. Attraction yaku ni ndu. Kautangiamba witware saruni, wabe witware nyama, wabe witware 5-star hotel. Take yourself, treat yourself before somebody else can treat you. Go to every ni taru gutire kondu ni tageragia ona itare na besha ga make sure ate ono kodi na $30 $30 no the 5-star hotel na nwe kahawa ka coffee. Treat yourself, it costs you nothing. Ni gugega twara mundu giku ni kundu ugereire ti kundu ugenine. Gutire hindi ati ungiukira hindi imwe anga wokira atia wajiririe go stress ya do take me here, take me there. Dori Find your own money. Find your own ground. We content. Ati wege kenogi ya kupiroka kumahe modungi. Please find your own things. Enjoy. Agiko negwitwara nako witware. Treat yourself. Be happy before somebody else can make you happy. And akirikia. Kogo omude. ne bade ifi akwa ona digemusho keria gatho todo. Some of you have done things that I cannot even talk. Thank you so much. I'm not going to mention names. I'm not going to say anything, but I'm so blessed to have each and every one of you. Nede mwedete muno pita nedrakona Mike nedrakona doingi muno mari online koko nede mwedete muno nariu nod Alfred Gugi thauti yakwa ti njega ni undu wa twana tutu ndirathomithia tumwe tukoragwo tuhana ta twina njuki mutwe koguo ri ne nguthukaga na ndaguthuka thauti yakwa ikora koguo ni ndimwendete muno na ni wega muno ni guthikiriria na ni wega muno ni gukorwo tugiconnect lingi ndikora muno todo ndikirio na maundu mangi turikiaragiriria Jackson ndirakuona. I love your birthday message. Somebody respect her husband. Don't mahe athuri ao gitio. Don't mahe athuri ao gitio. Mundu ahe muthuri wake gitio. Na andu moe athuri ao like your own. Tiri uhoro uyu wa gutikira andu advantage. Love your husband as your own. You attraction taru nikigitumaga andu aingi matuike attracted to one person ni undu wa personality yaku. Mundu arakora akona tiri no nyende gukorwo ndina mundu toy mundu wina hakiri. Andu amwe ni athaka no matiri hakiri ona mathakara atia ni ndingoingo nonsense. Ko maundu mamwe ni madakaragia ona ngigikenaga nona nyua athuri ri ni mwagirirwo ni gukorwo mugitwarithio Misiri na Kanani and back tondu na nyue ni mukimenya kiria mwendaga na nyue no nyue muguwagira magerio-ini macio koguo wagwira magerio-ini manderira save your soul. Ona nyue ndigutura ha ndimwaragiriria ndurite ha njugite ati boy child ona ni ratika advantage njuru boy child ona no mwakokoro wina hakiri niki giki urathi kwiyoera ati tondu mukiri muthaka na thutha munene muno akari mweru yeru utakaikira dan rurie ikyo no ni ndina njege na njege kadha ndikwenda kwaririria oro wa njege icio guys ni birthday yakwa koguo ndikwenda guthukia